How do you build an indoor roller coaster? Let's ask Blake Boyter, the Senior Project Manager of GALACTICOASTER. Here's another episode of Coaster Fundamentals with Jessica, the theme parkette.
It's a lot like building a Lego set, actually. So we start at one end of the building and then slowly build our way out of the building, because once you build halfway through, you can't get back to where you started because of all that cool track, all the cool theming, the big bricks and the blocks are blocking your access to that. So we actually build ourselves out of the building, and that's how we put together a coaster.
Is there any scenario in which you would build the coaster first and then put the building around it? Because it feels like that makes sense, or is that a logistical nightmare?
Absolutely, you can definitely do that. It becomes a little bit more challenging to build the building around the coaster, because obviously we don't want to damage any of the track. There's a lot of sensitive parts on the ride that we just have to be careful around. So we chose to build the building and then put the coaster together inside. What gets really tricky is we had multiple cranes inside of this ride box lifting these huge 40-foot track pieces into place. And you've been on the ride, it is really smooth.
Yeah.
So how we do that is we get these pieces lined up just right, and having two cranes do a dance and get the pieces just where they go is quite a challenge.
GALACTICOASTER is an incredible indoor coaster, the first one for Legoland Resort and the first roller coaster at Legoland in 15 years. Do you have any questions about indoor roller coasters? Let us know in the comments.